Number 2, Wagner Spraytech Pro 130 Power Tank Paint Sprayer. If you're in the market for a stationary paint sprayer, the Wagner Control Pro 130 Power Tank Airless Stand. Paint sprayer is a top contender. Its 25-foot hose, which can handle up to 50 feet, combined with the 1.5-gallon capacity, makes it a breeze to tackle mid-size projects without constant refills. Utilizing HEA technology, this sprayer reduces overspray by up to 55% while delivering a smooth and even finish. Its compatibility with unthinned latex paints and stains means you can use it for a variety of projects, from walls to fences to garage doors. The integrated handles and built-in storage for accessories make it convenient to transport and use. Plus, the spill-resistant lid keeps your paint clean and prevents messes. Cleanup is a snap, as all you need to do is flush the hose with water and rinse the sprayer to switch between colors or finish your project. The gravity-fed system ensures easy priming and consistent painting throughout. While this sprayer is an excellent choice for most projects, some users may find the hose length to be a bit limiting for larger jobs. However, with its efficiency and ease of use, the Wagner Control Pro 130 Power Tank Airless Stand Paint Sprayer outshines similar models on the market. Check it out now to take your painting game to the next level. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.